So, you always wonder what Magnolia Market at the silos look like? Well, the journey's gonna show you. Let's check it out.
Lemon lavender, strawberries and cream, their cranberry orange biscuits, which are the best things in the world. And then we got some cookies down here. I actually don't think they have them.
First stop you gotta do when you make your way here, hit up the baking company.
We got some cupcakes. We have to have our priorities straight.
Yeah.
We didn't even park the car before we came here.
Yeah. Lucas did, but
we did not.
So right now we're in the kind of the square of Magnolia where they got a bunch of seating right over here. And then you've got the two big giant silos over here. And then in the surrounding area, I'll show you guys, there's a bunch of food trucks. So this is really the good spot to just kind of chill and find a place to sit and get some food and just relax. I got the, was it the boss? Bacon, Gouda, and basil. They got dairy. Dairy free though. And gluten free. So we're gonna eat and then we're gonna keep exploring. This is the seed and supply store. Whoop. They have a cute garden. You can buy like succulents and plants and seeds for different veggies and stuff that you can grow, flowers, etc. So we got one more stop. We've shown you the kind of the open area. We've shown you the food. We've shown you the seed place. We've shown you the bakery, which is insane. And now we're gonna go into the big store, which is kind of the main attraction, which is why a lot of people come here. So.
Hide the purse, hide the credit card.
Hide the wife. Trying to say is when you walk into the Magnolia Market, the actual main store, one, don't go in with your wife. That'll save a lot of trouble.
I am not walking out of here with anything, so he can just...
I don't know what she's talking about. She's ruining my segment. Hide the credit card or the purse, whatever you gotta do. It's a little pricey. Great stuff though, just a little pricey. Alright guys, you wanted to know what Magnolia Market at the silos was all about, and the journey wanted to show you. So make sure you hit that like button, and if you aren't already a subscriber, please subscribe. If you've been to the silos, please comment below your favorite thing at the silos. Comment below. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.